Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to watch satellite view in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to watch satellite view in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see there's a layers view option available for us. Just above the pointer that points us north at the top right corner over here, tap on the layers icon at the top right corner of the screen, and it's kind of interface will appear. Now you can see the default satellite and the terrain view available for us over here. In order to watch your Google Maps in your satellite view, tap on the satellite button over here, and then the satellite mode will be enabled on your Google Maps, and you'll be able to view your Google Maps in satellite mode. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to watch satellite view in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.